This video exists because Nneka asked me to make a video on how to cut a palazzo trouser. So please watch to the end so that you can also benefit from it. We'll be making use of the measurements displayed on the screen. The length is 38 plus extra 2 inches will give us 40. 38 divided by 2 will give us 19 inches for the knee, and we'll be using 11.5 for the crotch measurement. This is because I want the trouser to be free. So you also repeat the same process. Mark them across the trouser: 38, 40, 19 inches, 11.5 inches. And you connect all of this together using your ruler. After connecting all of this together, we'll measure our waist on the fabrics. So this is 40 inches. Remember, we've not added allowance. We'll do that later on in the video. So this is 40 inches. You mark it. You also connect it with your ruler. Now we'll be measuring the lap. The lap is 28. Divide by 2 will give us 14. So we'll mark it. And also 14 divided by 2 will give us 7 inches. This will be the center line. We're going to mark this 7 inches across the length of the trouser. So this is the total 14 inches, the center 7 inches. You mark it across and you connect it with your ruler to have a straight line at the center of the trouser. Also, don't forget, depending on how big you want your palazzo trouser to be, you can add to the lap. So instead of 14 inches or 28 inches, you can make it 30, 32. So it depends on you. Now, the knee is 24 inches. Divided by 2 will give us 12. So 6 will be at the center line, and you mark your 12 across. You also repeat the same process since we have the same 24 inches across the ankle. So 24 divided by 2 will give us 12. 12 divided by 2 will give us 6. So 6 will be at the center line. And you mark your 12 inches across the fabrics. When you are done, you connect it too with your ruler. If you've watched to this extent, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also hit the like button and share it to others who will benefit from this video. You can also make requests on any video you want me to make. After connecting everything together, it's time to add our 1 inch sewing allowance to the waist of the trouser and connect it to the crotch. Now it's time to cut. So this means cutting. You pick up the front panels of the trouser and place it on top the remaining fabrics. So to the lap, we add extra 2-inch allowance. To the waist, we add 2-inch allowance. The knee, 2-inch allowance. And the ankle, 2-inch allowance. You can also add 3 inches allowance or 4 inches. This totally depends on how big and wide you want your palazzo trouser to be. You connect them using your rulers. So it means connecting the back panels of the palazzo trousers together. After connecting every part of the trouser together, it's time to cut. So this is a perfect example on how to cut a palazzo trouser. You can watch other video on how to sew a front pocket and join this trouser together.